Hi everyone and welcome back to Good Brothers. We are doing another 2.5 minute Tuesday. I've got Lad over here who is giving me jip as always. So let's keep it short, keep it brief, and let's talk about some wine. Ready, steady, go. So I'm looking at 4 wines again today, which I am drinking at the moment and I'm in love with. We're starting off in South Australia, in the Eden Valley, with a couple of guys who are up to no good. I'm watching Jazzy Jeff and the Fresh Prince Bel-Air, as you can tell. Chaffee Brothers, Eden Valley, triple punct, Riesling. Riesling is one of my favourite grape varieties, as you will know if you've seen a lot of these videos. This is a Riesling from 3 different sites in the Eden Valley, all dry farmed, all organic, all vegan, or vegetarian. It is light, it's fresh, it's zippy. It's a phenomenal New World style of Riesling. Don't think Alsace, don't think big and rich. This is fresh and lively, absolutely brilliant with fish. That is £20 in the shop here. Next up, we are moving to California and we're going to Clarksburg in California to Bogle family, the Bogles. This is their Viognier, so completely different from the Riesling. Here we have a little bit more texture, a little bit more oiliness, lots of lovely lemon, hints of sherbet coming through. It is brilliant. Bigger, richer food here, thinking cream dishes, thinking sort of Sunday roasts. This is brilliant. So they've actually just won the Wine Enthusiast, so a big magazine out in the US. They won their Wine of the Year last year. They are actually certified as sustainable as well, as green farmed. So they are really all about sustainability. Fantastic. Next up, we are going back to Italy and we're going up to Piemonte in the northwest. And we are with La Piane, the La Maggiorina grape winery. This is a beautiful Nebbiolo Croatina blend. There's a load of other stuff in there, but tiny amounts. This is slightly lighter than a lot of Nebbiolos you'll know of, so think Barolo, but think scaled down. This is beautifully aromatic, lots of dark fruit. It's about £20 a bottle, but absolutely brilliant for the money, really is. And then we're staying in Italy, we're moving further south, and we are trying some Negro Amaro from Cantina del Falco in Salento, which is right down in Puglia. Stunning, hot, dark fruits, rich, but yet still retains some acidity. This is an absolute bargain at $14.50. And you know what? Is one of my wines of the year again. 2.5 minutes is up. That's us done. See you next week.